The coldest recorded temperature here is minus 72 degrees. In the forest, the trees can burst from the cold. And water freezes when you throw it in the air.
The weather today is excellent. It's a sunny day. Minus 40. For us, it's like spring.
I love frost, but it makes my tooth sensitivity worse. Yakutia is the coldest place on Earth, and the worst for people with sensitivity to cold. The toothpaste that I always recommend to my patients is Sensodyne. Despite the frost in Yakutia, relationships between people are warm.
Очень любим зиму.